If you never pay attention to your posture, then might you don't even realize that how it is affecting your looks and your confidence level. Yes, a bad posture can make you less attractive and less bold. So if you genuinely want to prevent yourself from bad posture, then watch this video till the end. I will show you that how you can prevent yourself and fix it. Really man, a bad posture looks very ugly. So if you have one, then take action to improve it as soon as possible. First one, never sit without proper back support. Yes, so if you often sit for a long hour without enough support, without giving enough support on your back and without noticing your posture, sitting for a long hour without giving enough support will put extra pressure on your back and causes damage to your spine. So if you have to sit for a long hour, then put cushion on your back and sit somewhere in corner so that your back will take support of that wall. Like when you are eating dinner, lunch, etc. Then you have to also notice your posture, because it is possible that you are sitting like your grandfather when you eating lunch and dinner. So take proper notice and put proper foot on your back, because one small change will definitely prevent you from years of posture damage. Second, take stretching seriously. So if your work and study require you to sit for a long hours, then stretching should be part of your daily life. Yes, because if you work for a long hours while sitting, then the back, hips and shoulder are constantly on pressure. So it become difficult to keep your posture correct. So you have to keep stretching a part of your daily routine. Yes, because if you do stretching daily, it will make your body more flexible, because nowadays today people can't even able to raise their arms fully because their arms and shoulder are become too rigid. They don't even able to raise their arm fully because their body become too rigid. That's why to keep stretching your part of daily life, because it will prevent you from rigidness of body and also give you less pain, because your blood flow will increase when you do stretching daily. If you ever get back pain or shoulder pain by a long hour of work, then stretching will improve these aspects significantly. So add 10 minutes of stretching in your daily routine. Add it somewhere before bathing and before sleeping. If you add like that, then you will literally feel to do that, because when you make in your mind that I have to do this thing before bathing, then you will definitely going to do that. Then add it. Third, ergonomic chair. Yes, so if you sit for a long hours, then you can also purchase a ergonomic chair that are made to keep your body posture correct. As some companies also include ergonomic chair in their office for their employees, because that ergonomic chair keep your body posture correct. So you can also purchase it. I will put in the description box. You can purchase it if you have sufficient money to do that. So last, be cautious. If you don't want to look your posture like your grandfather hunched back, then take this tip seriously and be confident and strong. Thank you.